In this episode, what is he doing? We go to the show and leave the camera running to see what questions we get asked. We get some great reactions.
Replica or not, it's gorgeous.
And some not so great ones. Countach gives birth. And I share what was on my mind.
It's my birthday, and on my birthday, I want to go to a car show, so we're going to a show. I'm thinking I'll leave the camera going during the show and see what kind of questions we got. Most of the questions I get asked, is it a real or not? And feeling it up this morning, I was getting gas. A couple bikes come in, first question they asked. Bet it is every time. It's not a bad question because it must look pretty close and they know the chances of seeing a real deal are slim. So it's a 70s, 80s, and 90s show, and actually we're taking enough cars to cover that. So you'll see them. I'll show you them at the show.
What were you on? I don't think it's wet anywhere, but okay.
Like, I'm as tall as the car right now. Replica or not, it's gorgeous. That was hard to get in and out of.
Yeah. It's not bad. Out's a little hard.
How far do you drive it?
Pretty local. Like, we don't take it out. We can't take it. We don't do any bad ones. Probably within the hour. About probably the longest we've really taken it. We did take it to Toronto a couple years ago. They had a show at Ontario Place.
What year is it?
It's a replica of an 88.
Oh, it's a replica.
It is a replica. Yep.
Oh wow.
A little bit more. What I'm doing.
It's a 93 Corvette LT1.
That's got to be fun to get in and out of.
Yeah, they say in's okay, out's a
That's
little
what
bit.
we're all thinking.
Yeah, that's right.
What do you see once you're in there?
All windshield.
It's actually, once you're in, it's actually pretty comfortable and it's okay, but out the back you can't
Nothing.
see much of anything,
Yeah,
so
so you
there's
sit on
huge
this
blind
small
spots. So usually what I'm doing, if I'm on a 2-lane or something, I'm counting cars. This is beautiful, this car. Oh my god. Yeah, thanks, for sure. It's gorgeous. And we've had it 14 years now, so.
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
I'm amazed it's a replica.
Original?
It's a
Original owner or?
No, we.
We're third?
Luke, yeah,
Yeah,
third.
Yeah.
Luke, the guy that built it, sold it to a guy in Ottawa who was, he was a mechanically inclined, and when I got it, it was pretty much in disrepair. Transmission, transaxle,
Yeah.
we blew out with her in the car.
Yeah.
I blew out the input shaft on it.
Sent it to Texas
And it was
for
because,
almost 2 years.
yeah, I was there for 2 years, getting rebuilt, and then last year I did the interior because the interior wasn't accurate, but I took like 2.5 years collecting all the parts to kind of get it, because they transitioned to the anniversary model this year and used some of the digital stuff. When I was 16, I just had my license 6 months, and we were in Naples, Florida. And I was playing tennis with my brother, and one drove by. And I was like, what the hell is that, right? And later on, we were able to find it in this compound. And I saw it. It was actually a white one. It was an 86 model. And I was like fixated ever since then.
It's never been repainted?
No.
No way.
No, I wanted to because it's got some spider cracks on the engine
You see
cover.
it, but it's still like you have to look at it.
Yeah, the rest of it's pretty good. It's a Bill Kester kit, and he went really heavy. The fiberglass under the wheels is about a ½ inch thick.
Does it feel like you're doing 100 or no? Does it feel like you're doing 60?
Yeah, it's like
Like
the straight pipes is pretty loud, so you know you're going, right? So.
It's funny actually. One of the guys with the thing like that, he's like, "You got a YouTube or something?" And you know what? He's like, "I want to follow that because he's like, I wanted one of these for a long time." He said, "Well, I got this Instagram." I said, "You can follow that. I'll probably post it on there whenever I get started."
Somebody's here? It's yours? Oh, it's really cool. It's not a kit.
It is a kit.
Oh, it is a kit?
It is,
Oh, it looks awesome. He was like, why is this doing this?
Yeah.
He's never seen a door
Well,
like
the
that.
scissor door, yeah.
Good question.
Yeah. Now, what sort of engine do you put in it for the kit?
It's an LT1 out of a 93 back.
Okay. Want to have a look in there? Look at that. Look at. I see the door goes up like that. Look at the windshield. Pretty cool, eh?
Aren't you crazy? Somebody's gonna hop in? It's beautiful.
Ooh, look at that car there.
Yeah. Keys. They're not
What, these won't work?
No.
Yeah.
And we did all the gauges and that, so they weren't authentic on the inside, so we did all those this winter, but it took us about 2 years to punch everything down, because you gotta find it, right?
But she said it's a tube chassis, so it's not necessarily a kit. It's like,
There was guys in Toronto that were a couple of the.
I figured it was what it had. I figured it was based on it. That's what I saw. I guess Corvettes have that.
Yeah, they usually come together from here.
It's so small. It's funny when you see them on the internet. They look a lot bigger.
Yeah.
Like you said, you don't need it.
It's a transact system.
But the wheels, Pirelli still makes them.
Yes, in your mind they're a lot bigger, aren't they?
Online, you see photos and pictures. You think they're much bigger.
Yeah.
Right through it, so. And there's a fork too. The nice thing too is there's a lot of kit car forks. Oh, this side's hot. Yes, please. Or maybe people looking in it.
That was good. Not too many showed up to that one, but it was still pretty good. Oh, that was good. Good car. Gets lots of attention. As you would expect. Oh. I left the cameras going for a while. We'll see what the questions were. If you can pick any of them up on the camera. And if we can, I'll put it in the video. See ya. Door poppers. I'm gonna go write it right now on the list.
Hey, I'd been clinching for the last 20 minutes. I had something on my mind.